Good evening and welcome back to Smart Investment Long Videos. Today we are sharing detailed research analysis on electrical equipment company, that is BHEL. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is BHEL, is an integrated power plant equipment manufacturer which is owned by Government of India. It is engaged in design, engineering, manufacture, erection, testing, commissioning and servicing of a wide range of products and services for the core sectors of the company. The company has references in over 84 countries with execution of 24 overseas projects spread over 16 countries for around 7,000 megawatt and 17,000 megawatt overseas projects already contracted. Company has an installed base of 190 plus gigawatt power plant equipment globally with almost 57% share in India's coal-based power generation. BHEL is India's largest manufacturer of AC machine with over 32,000 plus machines supplied, and most of the process industries of India are equipped with its centrifugal compressors. Its power sector business contributes over 76% of its total revenue. Its industry sector's business contributes to 24% of the revenue, which includes transportation, renewables, defense and aerospace, energy storage solution and other business area, captive power and process plants, transmission and industrial. Fundamentals of the company are as below. Current market price Rs 310, 52-week high Rs 318, 52-week low Rs 77, dividend yield 0.13%, ROE 1.77%, BVPS 77.05 rupees, sales 5503 crore, debt to equity 0.2, PE ratio 51.13, EPS consolidated 1.37, PB ratio 0.19, market cap 108065 crore, face value Rs 2. Shareholding patterns are as follows. Promoter holds 63.17%, FII holds 8.76%, DIIs hold 5.75%, public holds 12.14% and remaining are 10.02%. Company's net sale was at Rs 5503.81 crore in December 2023, up 4.57% from Rs 5263.38 crore in December 2022. It reported quarterly net loss of Rs 148.77 crore in December 2023, down 451.87% from Rs 42.28 crore in December 2022. Company's EBITDA stands at Rs 32.96 crore in December 2023, down 85.96% from Rs 234.82 crore in December 2022. BHEL has bagged an order from NTPC Limited for setting up the 2 cross 800 megawatt Singrauli supercritical thermal power plant stage 3 on engineering, procurement and construction basis. The plant will be set up adjacent to the existing 2000 megawatt thermal power station at Singrauli in Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh. Key equipment of this project will be supplied by BHEL's manufacturing unit at Haridwar, Trichy, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ranipet and Bhopal. BHEL is playing a crucial role in bolstering the nation's energy security with its state-of-art technological solutions. BHEL has contracted 68 supercritical steam generators (SGS) and 63 supercritical turbine generators (TGS) in the country, of which 34 SGS and 25 TGS have been commissioned and are operating successfully. Company has achieved a major milestone with successful synchronization of 660 megawatt unit 2 of 1320 megawatt Maitri Super Thermal Power Project in Bangladesh. It is being set up by BHEL for the Bangladesh-India Friendship Power Company, a 50-50 joint venture between the Bangladesh Power Development Board and NTPC Limited. Recently, company has signed a technical assistance and license agreement with the General Electric Technology GmbH Switzerland for gas turbines. BHEL Titagarh Wagons Limited consortium has been awarded an order of 80 Vande Bharat trains in one of the biggest railway tenders of manufacturing cum maintenance of Vande Bharat trains valued at more than Rs 23,000 crore. Under the MOU signed by the two companies, that is BHEL and Nuclear Power Corporations of India Limited, both companies will jointly explore opportunities for the development of nuclear power projects with a view to reduce project gestation time. Company has won the prestigious order for the electromechanical works of the country's largest capacity hydropower project of 2880 megawatt Dibang multipurpose project in Arunachal Pradesh. BHEL and Green State Hydrogen India Private Limited have signed an MOU for potential collaboration opportunities in green hydrogen and derivatives in the hydrogen value chain. This MOU will help in contributing towards the country's national hydrogen mission aimed at making India Atmanirbhar in this area. BHEL has received letter of award for the supply of equipment and supervision of erections and commissioning for 2 crores 800 megawatt power project worth rupees 4,000 crore based on supercritical technology at Raigarh Phase 2, Chhattisgarh. The boiler and turbine generator are to be manufactured at BHEL's Trichy and Haridwar plants. Company has successfully manufactured India's first set of catalyst for selective catalyst reactors (SCR) for limiting NOx emissions from thermal power plants. Company has also successfully commissioned India's largest floating solar PV plant rated at 100 megawatt at NTPC in Telangana. Company has also secured order of 6,000 HP electrical locomotives, first ever in the country for industrial application, which was placed by NTPC Limited for the supply at Lara Thermal Power Project site. The company has also backed the order for the package of Baiji refinery in Iraq has been placed by Northern Refineries Company, a national oil refinery company owned by Ministry of Oil, Republic of Iraq. India's third lunar mission, that is Chandrayaan-3, was equipped with BHEL manufactured batteries, power supply units for lander module and propulsion module. In last 3 years, the stock gave a return of 407.80% as compared to the rise of Sensex and Nifty in the same period. Notably, company is a leading manufacturer of power plant equipment and is the only Indian company to be actively associated with all the 3 stages of the Indian nuclear program, and it has supplied steam turbine generator sets for nearly 50% of the country's total installed nuclear capacity. Company has long-term relation with the many reputed organizations of aerospace and defense industry like ISRO, HAL, ADA, NAL and GTRE for various programs, and the company has been supporting ISRO space programs for 2 decades. Even IAF's indigenously developed aircraft Tejas is equipped with compact heat exchange design and manufactured by BHEL. BHEL has also stepped in EV segment by manufacturing EV buses as well as EV charging stations. Considering the widespread of product portfolios and services offered by the company, huge order book position and well-grounded roots in the power industry and improving financial positions backed by the Government of India campaign of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the company is well equipped to generate higher than expected results going further. Investors may invest in this company for a long-term period. Thank you for watching.
Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.